Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the manifold gas supply tube in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Lift off both grates. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Open the upper oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws, securing the manifold panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the panel. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the manifold. Use the Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the front screws securing the cooktop. Lift the cooktop assembly up and support it. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver or the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut securing the gas supply tube to the shutoff solenoid. You can now remove the old tubing. Install the new manifold gas supply tube by feeding the long end under the cooktop. Attach the short end to the shutoff solenoid, then thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Remove the support and lower the cooktop assembly. Thread and tighten the 2 front screws. Insert the new gas supply tube into the manifold and thread the nut. Again, avoid over-tightening the nut. Realign the manifold panel on the support brackets. Thread and tighten the upper and lower screws to secure. Replace the control knobs on the valve stems. Reposition the grates. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.